Hi, this is Dan Green, and in this short video we're going to show you how our new software Cryptomate can make it just insanely easy for you to get your own fully automated website that lets us earn high-paying lifetime commissions as a superstar affiliate for some of the world's top cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. Now, you might not know this, but some of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, like Coinbase and Binance, have affiliate programs. And boy, do they pay out big time. In fact, top exchanges will pay us up to an incredible 40 or even 50% of all lifetime profits from anyone we refer to them. Just think about that. After just a few referrals as a crypto affiliate, we could make tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions every single month for life. And even better, we can even choose to receive payment in Bitcoin too. Bitcoin is booming right now, going up 600% in the past 12 months alone. Just think, we could be getting paid in Bitcoin every single day, sharing a huge 50% of cryptocurrency exchange profits on total autopilot. If just one Bitcoin is worth a staggering tens of thousands of dollars today, who knows? In just a few years, just one Bitcoin could be worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. And with so many people going crazy for crypto right now, searching for info and news on their favorite cryptocurrencies, it seems to me like getting started right now as a crypto affiliate is about the smartest move you could ever make. You do not want to miss this opportunity. But how on earth can we as marketers get started as a superstar cryptocurrency affiliate? Well, first of all, you'd need to create and design a website all about crypto. Then you'd need to constantly, every day, create new compelling content all about the latest crypto news, tips and reviews for your visitors to read. Then you'd have to somehow rank your site on Google. Then you'd have to somehow monetize your site with ads for cryptocurrency exchanges. And although having your own crypto affiliate site might seem like a huge earning opportunity right now, it's clear that this also sounds like a serious amount of work to get off the ground. I don't know about you, but it sounds way too hard, way too time consuming, and way too difficult to me. So that's why I created Cryptomate. Cryptomate is a brand new web-based software that lets you instantly create your own stunning, fully automated cryptocurrency affiliate site. And all we need to do to get started with Cryptomate and start earning lifetime recurring Bitcoin commissions and potentially make ourselves seriously rich is 3 simple little steps. Step 1, log into the web-based software and give your site a name. Step 2, choose a cryptocurrency to specialize your site in. We offer all the top coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. Step 3, click a button, and that's it, you are done. Cryptomate goes to work, and in just seconds you are now the proud owner of your own stunning website about your own chosen cryptocurrency. Filled with great content, pre-monetized for you, with done-for-you ads for lifetime revenue share cryptocurrency affiliate programs that can pay out in Bitcoin, and all fully hosted for you on our server. Want to use your own domain? Well, don't worry, you can. We have worked hard to find the best 12 cryptocurrency exchange affiliate programs for you, with insanely high lifetime commissions, all of them giving you the option to take payment in Bitcoin, and with easy, instant guaranteed approval when you apply. All you need to do is click the apply link like this, then when you get your affiliate link, just paste it in here like this and activate. You can choose as many different affiliate programs as you want, and your site is auto-monetized for all of them for you with ads created by us. All of the ads are pre-installed for you by us in a way to maximize conversions, and all of them come with your affiliate link auto-embedded so you get full credit for any sale. We have selected top-performing ads for you by default, but we also provide a wide selection from any of the affiliate programs you can sign up for. If you want to disable or replace any ads, you can do that in just a few clicks like this. And we also provide the option for you to upload your own custom ads, so you can promote any kind of offer you want. Your new site will be pre-filled with original content for you, with news, tips, and much more, all about your chosen cryptocurrency, posted for you every day on total autopilot. Remember, according to Google themselves, creating regular original content for your site is what builds your site's reputation with both users and Google. And that, when it comes to ranking on Google and getting lots of search traffic, creating compelling and useful content will likely influence your website more than any other factors. And that's exactly what Cryptomate does for you. It creates original content that both your visitors and Google will love. Cryptomate is super smart. It sources all the content it creates for you from YouTube channels that are related to the cryptocurrency you chose for your site to be about. Then every single day, the software auto-transcribes content from YouTube videos and posts it to your site on full autopilot. The content is then spun using our powerful spinning engine tech to be totally original content for your sites, yet still fully human readable with perfect punctuation and structure. Next, we have integrated an entire fully featured autoresponder service like Aweber or GetResponse into your site for you. You can add opt-in forms anywhere you want, get unlimited subscribers, send unlimited emails, create unlimited lists, so you can send as many email marketing campaigns to your subscribers as you want, whenever you want. All of this in a beautifully designed site that's fully hosted for you. Your site comes pre-designed for you and is stunning right out of the box. But we also provide literally hundreds of design options with multiple themes, example backgrounds, fonts, and colors. Want to add your own logo and background images? Well, of course, you can do that too. By default, we have laid out your site for you in a way designed to maximize conversions, but should you wish to, you have full control and are able to lay out your site exactly how you want. Cryptomate does all of this and much more, and it does it all with no monthly fees. Now, you might be shocked by this, but during Cryptomate's current offer, we are practically giving away this amazing software for a ridiculously low price. That's right, for early action takers, we are letting you have full access to Cryptomate without ever charging you any monthly fees. You lucky early action takers get the whole thing for just an ultra low, one-time only fee. And of course, your small or one-time investment is fully covered by our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So you've got nothing to lose when you check out Cryptomate today. So take a look at all the features and details below and make sure you take advantage of this low one-time purchase price, because very soon the price will become a monthly subscription so we can continue to provide all these great features and unmatched capabilities for years and years to come. So don't miss out. Claim your special one-time early action taker pricing right now. Click the button below now and I'll see you on the inside.